guys, it's another day and I'm super excited to be here. How are you? Well, I'm so glad. Maybe it's because of the content I have in store for you today. The amazing, insightful and impactful content. You know, I've gotten messages from people lately saying, can you give us tips on how to make a little money? We don't want you to go so big, but at least something that we can start with. So I decided to make this video today, and I will be showing you how to make your first $300 to $500 using AI. So what we're going to be dealing with today is affiliate marketing. So I want you to watch this video till the end and follow every step. Follow the step-by-step procedure that I will be giving you today. Well, what I'm going to be talking about today is not something difficult. The method I'm going to introduce to you is not going to be difficult at all. So no matter how unintelligent you are and no matter how dumb you think you are not dumb though. It is something that you can cope with, okay? You're not going to have to reason so much with your brain. We're going to be working with AI and we're going to let the AI reason for us. So just sit back and watch this video to the end. Like this video before we proceed. Okay, some of the things I'm going to be talking to you about is some of the steps I'm going to be talking to you about. We're going to be using affiliate marketing this time around, and we're going to be using ClickBank. Okay, so now some of the steps we're going to do. Firstly, we're going to look for a product that allows brand bidding, and after we find a product that allows brand bidding, we are going to have to create a bridge page. Do you understand? So the first thing we'll do is go on ClickBank. Now listen, you can actually use ClickBank or you can use any other affiliate marketplace for this method. The only reason I'm showing you ClickBank is just because it is one of the most popular ones, okay? Now once you are here, click on marketplace and then click on this button right here. Now when you're here, basically sort everything from gravity high to low. Now you see this one right here is actually one of the best offers right now, which is pretty interesting. It's actually a new one and you see like all these offers right here. Now the point is for you to find another offer that allows you to do brand bidding. So the way to find an offer that allows brand bidding is basically what I'm going to show you right now. So now let's just see if this offer has it. Click on the affiliate page and then once you're here, try to scroll down until you find like either the terms of service or you find like the rules, right? Yeah, so this offer right here tells you that affiliates offer bidding to run ads on Google. Yeah, on Google AdWords, which basically means you can't even run any Google ads in this. This is really annoying. But well, this is what we're looking for here. Affiliates running PPC. You can't really do that, so you're not allowed to run PPC ads, which means that you can really do brand bidding. This offer apparently you can't even do Google ads, which means like forget this offer, man. But for example, we need to keep scrolling down and it's like this one. So I've already seen this one. It's one of those like weight loss offers. They also don't allow brand bidding. I notice most weight loss offers don't allow brand bidding for some reason, which I don't know. But well, let's keep going down and then we'll reach this offer right here. Yeah, so this one right here is actually my favorite just because this one, you know, I've been getting the most commission from this one right now. So if you click on the affiliate page, then you just go down and like try to find the rules. So they don't have the rules here, which means you actually have to like sign up. So click here to access affiliate tools, and then once you scroll down, you should be able to find something at least. Do not put your affiliate hub link directly on your Facebook ad, and do not link on the order form unless it was discussed with us. And then do not attempt to misrepresent as the owners of Vote DNA, which basically means they're not talking about anything that says you are not allowed to do brand bidding. So this offer right here is good. And by the way, like I know a lot of you guys say it's like most offers don't allow brand bidding, they don't accept it, but that's not right. Most offers actually do accept brand bidding, and you can use multiple affiliate marketplace. So don't just limit yourself to ClickBank alone. There's a lot more than ClickBanks out there, by the way. So now that we have found the affiliate offer that allows us to do brand bidding, let us just say we are going to be creating a bridge page for the affiliate offer. Now, this is the wealth manifestation one. So just listen attentively. I usually say if this video was sponsored, I will tell you to use a specific tool or to allow you to make a website. But right now, this video is not sponsored by anything. So which means you do not have to worry on which tool to use to make a website. You can any of them. I mean, you can use all of them if you want. The one I prefer, so it's called Jump Pages. Well, and another one is called we have Type Dream, WordPress. Here, WordPress works. So just try to find out any tool that can actually make you a website, and if you're comfortable with it, go and use it. But in this video, I'll show you how to do it using the Type Dream. So just because Type Dream has just been my favorite so far. And you can use the free version. You know, you don't have to pay. You don't have to pay for the paid version. You can actually just use the free one. So right here, I already made you a page. So just so I can show you like exactly how to do it, because I didn't want to have to go through the whole procedure live with you. That's going to take a really long time. But this right here is an example of a page that you can actually just take and run on Google Ads, and you'll see commissions from it. Trust me, you will see commissions. But look, this one says discover how you can activate your wealth DNA to attract money effortlessly. And then go down, and it's like this picture right here. I basically took it from the affiliate offer themselves. So all you gotta do is just basically like copy the link right here and then go and paste it. And then once you are on the actual video sales letter, click here, and then you see like the entire video sales letter. So what I do is that I basically go down. I'm like, where is the product, man? Where is the product? So continue scrolling until you locate the content, which is located right here at the timestamp. Download the image and insert it into the designated area. Notably, because we are engaged in a brand bidding, our visitors are already familiar with the specific product, which reduces the need for extensive sales effort. So this is why I appreciate this method, especially for beginners. You won't need to engage in heavy selling effort. Just craft an appealing headline, insert book images, showcase the offer, and present the bonuses. For instance, one of the bonuses includes this book, another is this one, and a third is this book. Additionally, I've incorporated a money back guarantee sourced from the video sales letter page. Now, for those of you concerned about writing skills, the solution is to use ChatGPT. Simply instruct it to act as a copywriting expert and generate a headline for your products. Well, regarding this text content, I simply selected the portion from the sales letter and describe the product in detail. I copied and pasted this content here. ChatGPT suggested a headline like unlock your DNA, your wealth DNA rather, attract abundance with NASA's secret soundtrack, which I found appealing. You can easily replace the existing text with ChatGPT's version. You may be curious about the wealth DNA code and related details. Interestingly, I extracted this information directly from the sales letter. My aim is to work smart and not hard. The Get Instant Access section is where you should place your affiliate link. Now, if you're unsure about how to obtain your affiliate link, this is a straightforward process. Navigate to the promotion section where you'll find your account nickname. Click Create Hub Link to generate your affiliate link, then insert it into the designated spot. After that, focus on presenting the bonuses. Since your visitors are already aware of the offer, you don't need to oversell. Provide the exact offer and bonuses. Also, remember to include links to your privacy policy and terms of service. If not, if you're unsure of how to create these pages, you can use ChatGPT to generate a terms of service page and copy the content and add it to your website builder. Failure to include these legal pages may result in Google Ads rejecting your ad due to an incomplete website. Now, once you've completed these steps, publishing the page is straightforward. Copy the page link and use it for Google Ads. Creating a Google Ads account is a positive step if you haven't already. They offer a $600 Canadian ad credit when you spend $600, which implies you're making a profit. To set up your campaign, click on New Campaign, then follow the steps. The process isn't complicated, it's basic. Now, set a maximum cost per click bid based on the competitiveness of your targeted keywords. You might want to start at $1.5. If your cost just $1 is fine. It's essential to select English as the language and target your chosen locations, often referred to as the Big Five. We have Canada, US, Australia, the United Kingdom, and optionally New Zealand. So for keywords, use brackets to specify exact keywords and brackets with additional terms to capture related searches. Add your page URL tutorial and create compelling ad text. Simplicity is key. Do not overcomplicate it. For images, use those downloaded from the affiliate offer. Site links can enhance your ads visibility. Remember, this method is simple, but it might not lead to massive earnings. So to reach higher income levels, consider diversifying beyond brand bidding. Explore targeting broader keywords that relate to your niche rather. And lastly, don't worry if you lack technical skills. You can create pages using site.google.com instead of complex website builders. Many people are successfully using this method, which is why I find it so appealing. It is a practical approach that can yield steady income akin to a recurring gym membership fee. Finally, affiliate marketing courses often teach outdated methods, but this method is current and effective. You can see multiple individuals successfully implementing it. It doesn't require advanced tools. Even a simple platform like site.google.com can suffice. This straightforward approach can help you earn your first $500 if you haven't already. So guys, we have come to the end of today's video, and I'm super excited I shared this with you. So all I want you to do is ensure you follow all the steps I mentioned in this video, and then if you encounter any problem, let me know in the comment section so I can address them in subsequent videos. So please, I hope this video was helpful to you. So make sure you like this video, subscribe to my page, and do not forget to turn on the notification bell so you do not miss any of our amazing content. All right, see you guys.